Hey kids, you want to play a board game? It's a bit harder to get motivated to play games with your kids if you have to spend an hour sorting it out every time. And even if you sort everything and put it away when you're done, it's always a mess next time you open it anyways. Now we've been playing this Super Mario Level Up game a lot lately, and I decided to design this little organizer to keep the different cards organized. I made this model using Tinkercad and put in negative boxes using measurements from the game cards. After merging the shapes, you can see what it looks like. I decided to add these cylinder holes to the edges of each spot to make getting the cards out a bit easier. Alright, well here it is in the Cura slicing software. This is where we generate the G-code for the 3D printer, and this is what it'll look like. Now I've set this model to have 0 top and bottom layers, so it exposes the infill. Now this saves a lot of time on the print, and I think the triangle infill looks pretty cool too. It serves its purpose, going layer by layer up. This is how it'll be printed. Now would you look at that, all the cards are nicely organized. I also just made one for the Animal Crossing Monopoly. Yep, it goes right over the board, and the cards are lined up just like the board is. You got the chance, the Nook Miles, and the item cards, which get displayed on these 3 spots. What should I spend my bells on? An outdoor bath? A barbecue grill? A Nintendo Switch? Oh, tough choices. Alright, the things I design are for sale at Facebook Marketplace or even Etsy.com. At 3D Vibes Shop. I'll have links below in the description. Well, alright everyone, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. And for you subscribers, I know it's been a little while since my last video. It's been like 3 months. It's gonna get better, I promise.